Hi, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be able to change your Google account password. Okay, so many of you might have misplaced or forgotten your Google account password, or might not be able to remember it, or maybe where you wrote it down something happened to it. So, and notice this, that Google account password is linked to your Gmail account, your YouTube, and some other Google apps. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to change your Google account password with ease. So I'd like you to stick to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any steps. And if at the end of this video it was really helpful to you, smash the like button, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification icon, and comment in the comment section below saying that yes, this is truly working. Okay, so that others can be like, yes, it's, and say that it's truly working, and also try it out. And don't forget to share this video. So without further ado, the first thing is to go to whatever browser you're using and search for account.google.com. as you can see right here, account.google.com, and it's going to open this page for you. As you can see, this is my page right here. So as you can see, we're on the home tab, so we'll just click on personal info. You tap on it, personal info, and here it is. Then you have to just scroll down where you see password. As you can see it here, we have password right here, so we just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to load. So this is it right here. So what you have to do next is they want to verify that yes, that you're the one that is changing the password. Okay, so they don't want scammers to come and change your password for you. They just want to be sure that you're changing your password by yourself. So what you have to do to continue, you must first to verify. Okay, so you have to enter your current password, then click on next. Then after clicking on next, you're going to see where to input your new, they're going to bring out a place where you're going to input your new password and click on save. But if you don't remember your current password, then you have to click on forget password. Then you follow the procedures. They're going to send you an email. Then from that link you can be able to create a new password also for yourself. So I believe this was really helpful. If it was, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash the like button, and don't forget to comment that yes, it is really working, and also share this video to your loved ones. Thanks, and see you on the next one.